Yo, y'all, we're back here with another motherfucking video, and we're already back in the car. I got my boy behind the camera, Sean. Y'all know him. Y'all know him already.
Yes, sir. We back in here.
And we're over here cruising with our boy James. He's up in the CLS 550.
Cruising, brother.
Full bolt-on tune, stage 2. Bro's pushing, bro. Let me tell you. But pretty much tonight, we're just sliding over to the city. We're gonna see what's going on over there, and we're gonna get some good content for y'all, man. So y'all just stay tuned. That's crazy.
This shit dope as fuck.
That'll be loud as a bitch in the city, though, bro. God damn.
Too, man.
With
this
the
shit
whips, bro.
vibing,
Nah, we are straight vibes.
Here he goes right here.
This buildings look crazy, bro. They're in the fog, like, insane. We just got out here. The city's looking fucking insane right now because of the fog, but we about to flick up. And there's an X4 right next to us across the street, though.
I'm about to flick that up too.
Yeah, we're gonna hop out, get right. I'm gonna show you all the whip and everything. All right, I'm gonna go slide, pull my car up onto the sidewalk real quick to flick it up in front of all that shit. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just stay tuned. We're about to go get active. We're about to go get right. We're about to make it happen. We got Sean flicking us. We got all the boys, so we're straight vibes, man. I just parked the whip out here on the dock, bro. I'm out here on the dock. I could go swimming right now if I wanted to with the whip. Submarine it. But nah, we're out here right in front of the skyline and everything. Got the boys with us. Man, shit, man. It's a vibe. This shit different. We literally just pulled that shit off and started flicking. Crazy. And a random GT. Tough. Long awaited. Me and Mr. Ovio are finally in the city, bro. Finally, bro. Them boys are over there. Bro, it is crazy, man. It's a straight vibes. I need this motherfucker to move his car next to my car because he's bugging. He doesn't want to put it over here. But nah, I'm just playing. We're just vibing, though. Look at that, bro. M2 out in the city. I'm gonna get a thumbnail. Hey, man. We just got the big old Tonka body out here now. Shit, man. These two cars are about to be looking crazy next to each other, bro. Damn. Different. Straight different, bro. Holy shit. Yo.
You like that?
That's crazy.
Yeah, hell yeah. That's the thing though, but it's like, bro, you got an M model, right?
That's what I'm saying. I can just go buy. Anthony buys $100 tires.
Exactly.
So I'll just do that. And they grip well, so. Alright, y'all, we just got cut off by a fucking Kia driver. But we have made it to the city. We're about to be flicking up. I know y'all just seen all those clips and everything from the Hudson. That shit was fire. And now we're just about to be outside, man. Look at, we're in this beautiful city around us, finally. In the M2. It's crazy. I never thought I'd be driving an M2 in New York City. Crazy. Straight vibes. And you can hear bro's car all the way up there. It's insane. Look at this shit, man. Look at all that shit, bro. The city of making it happen.
Oh! Damn, nigga, my neck.
My bad,
Shit.
my bad.
Keep that in the video.
And he got the custom plate on from the state. That shit from the state, I swear to God. But nah, man. We got all the big ass buildings out here. Man, it's a vibe to be out here in the beam ski in New York, man. I never took the 230, so it's tough to take the M2 out here. I can't lie. Might have to slide through in the summer at like 3 a.m. for some late night POVs. That should be crazy. Go park up some places. That dude fresh as hell.
Oh my God,
Damn, boy.
You got that shit on.
Now we just made it back out to the city.
I thought he was like fucking with the M2.
Nah, I didn't know who that was at first. Now we just made it out to the cathedral though. Finally with the M2, bro. That shit looking beautiful as ever. Black on black, finally again. Sick of that purple, I can't lie. That purple was purple, man. But we got purple skies for the black whips. Straight Gotham City out here tonight, bro. Straight Gotham City, right, my boy?
I might need you to take me some flicks.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Come on now, man. Here, it's crazy, bro. Hey, y'all wait. He got his M on the way, man. He got his M on the way. I'll just give it a minute, man.
The M's on the way.
M's on the way.
I'm pretty much solid.
Solid. Then we just got out to Rockefeller Center, or Plaza, whatever you want to call it. And, yeah, man, we're just straight vibing out here. The city looks crazy right now, bro. Look at that building. Look where we are. Look at the vibes, bro. Straight good vibes. Never thought, like I said, I'd be taking an M2 out to the city at night, bro. Feels amazing, man. Crazy vibes. I'm crazy blessed. I'm with God as always, as you can see. Oh, shit. He hitting that motherfucker. No cap. Shit.
I was about to say, that's what he just said. Times Square, I don't know how hard Times Square is going to be. Right?
It could be. As long as we just find a spot like this.
Hey, bro.
It's nice.
When there's high risk, there's high reward.
Okay.
Let's get it. Fucking motivational Friday.
Let's do it, bro.
Fucking Friday.
Yo, there's people waiting outside at Saturday Night Live. Waiting for that shit tomorrow night. Unless they record it tonight. Maybe they record it tonight. Type shit.
Yeah, maybe they record at 12.
This man hopping up in the whip. Let's see. Oh, he got his gimbal. His gimbal. I thought he grabbed the Strapski. I should have got the X6 M40. Honestly, I'd take that. And I'd be happy with that over an M50 or M. What about you, bro?
M50. M50 is nice, but
M50 is nice because you get the V8.
you get the V8.
But the 40, you still get the B58, bro. They don't make a 30, right?
No, they don't make a 30.
Yeah, that shit too rich.
Hey, man.
Too rich. Yo, will you get some show the people what we got going on over there? There's a whole bunch of trees and shit.
This is what we got over here, this beautiful scene. This beautiful scenery that we got. We got the whips out here. I mean, this just couldn't be a better night. It's Friday night fun, and we're about to go to Times Square, so see how it ends up for us. The flicks will definitely be added into this video, and the videos will definitely be added.
Easily. Hey, y'all go fuck with my boy Sean.
Shot
Everything.
by OVO, hit me up on IG, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram,
YouTube.
everything, YouTube.
Go run this
Shot
man's
by
channel up.
OVO, run it up. This camera does work. I do work.
Easy.
Hit me up.
Straight good quality, good vibes, man. And yeah, bro, it's straight good vibes out here, bro. But yeah, y'all go check out his links in the description. Y'all saw the pop tag and everything, so you know.
Yeah, man, check me out.
Go say
I
what's up to the
appreciate you
kid, man.
guys. You know, tune in to my boy Joey. Puts out great content. Make sure you guys stay tuned. And always, if you ain't first, brother, you're last.
If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about?
Okay, buddy. But nah, man, it's a straight vibe to be out here. We got the filmers hopping out the car, aka our homies. I'm just calling them filmers so y'all can go follow them on IG, go get y'all some flicks. You feel me? We're outside, it's good vibes. Nothing but good vibes always, man. Like, sure.
Exactly, bro.
These hoes be eaters for a nice car, bud. They don't even know what I do for a living, bro. I could literally be selling coochie. I could have a coochie and be selling it. You know what I mean? It's like, these hoes are tripping.
They're eaters for the Germans.
But they see the Beamski and the Mercedes and they go crazy.
Oh, those flicks were insane.
Yeah, nah, y'all are gonna see all these flicks on the IG and everything. Just make sure you guys go follow the IG, because then that way you can see that content, of course. But man, crazy. We are in Times Square vibing. Stop playing. Shit. Okay. Yo. Nah, New York a funny place, man. Just wait. We about to be back out here a lot more. Just chill. Just relax. For y'all that don't know, there's a whole bunch of like MTA buses and shit that be, or NY Transit or whatever the fuck. Yeah, y'all get ready for this, man. I need an exhaust, man. Nah, this shit a vibe. Damn. Bumpy ass roads, big ass police cars.
Big ass.
God, and mail trucks too. I ain't never seen a mail truck that fucking big. Crazy, bro. But yeah, now we're out of the Times Square area, you feel me? And we're about to, that shit look like a fucking prison. Crazy. But now we're about to go hop out. Or I think we're about to, I don't know what we're doing. I think maybe hitting one more spot and then I think we're sliding back to the crib. Or Sean and I might, you know what I'm saying, we might flick up a bit. But we're gonna be back here tomorrow, so it's really not a big deal. So straight vibes, man. Y'all stay tuned for some good ass New York car content right now, man. I can't promise you're gonna see a whole bunch of cars out here, but you see our cars, so. But let me stop yapping, man. I'm talking way too goddamn much. Yo, what's up with a fucking dig, bro?
Yeah, we got the C3 fucking 100 outside today. Let's get it.
The C300's crazy. Yo. What's up? Shit. Shit, we could, man. Nah, I don't even think We just flicked up. Bro got the Dior bag on. And we in Jersey now. We're on the Jersey side of the Hudson. The more vibey side of the Hudson, let's be real. Jersey is simply better than New York, buddy. Imagine saying that. That's a crazy take. Crazy statement.
He would not agree.
He would not, buddy. He wants to shoot New Jersey up. All right, man. It's time to make that motherfucking